Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of the Software Spotlight series, where every Thursday the team and I introduce to you a two-feature function application software, right, that's going to enhance your day-to-day digital marketing performance. Now, today we're going to be talking about page speed. So, first of all, why is page speed important? Two reasons. First reason is user experience, right? So we live in a world right now where we have a multitude of devices, a lot of different things call out to our attention. So attention spans start to get shorter and shorter. And if we're able to make web pages and websites load faster, right, it does enhance user experience. And I'm sure you have experienced this yourself. Sometimes you go to a website and it might take 10 seconds to load, and you might get so frustrated that in the end you might just hit the backspace and go back to the search results and maybe look for another website. Okay, so that actually does happen quite a lot. So that's the first reason, right? User experience. And the second reason is that page speed actually is a ranking factor for the Google search engine. So by optimizing page speed, right, you're also assisting with the ability to become more visible in the search engine. Okay, cool. So now to actually find out, okay, so what tool should I use? There's many other tools out there, but the tool that I want to introduce to you today is the Google PageSpeed Insights tool, right? That's the first or one of the first places that you should definitely start off with. It's a free tool from Google, and it's fantastic. So I'm going to teach you 3 ways in which to actually access this PageSpeed Insights tool. Okay, cool. So without further ado, we're just going to go straight in. Okay. So first of all, example website. Okay. Example website is westernaustralia.com. Fantastic. So what you want to do is, first of all, first way to look for the PageSpeed Insights tool is very easy. Just go to PageSpeed. Okay. Done. And click on that. And then you can paste the link. And then what it'll do, it'll take time to analyze, maybe 30 seconds to a minute. So we'll let that run for a bit. The second method, right, is to go via Google Analytics. So you can go via behavior, and then click on site speed, and then click on speed suggestions. You have the links here that show up, right, and then you can see here page speed suggestions, and click on that. You bring up a new window, and then this also generates a page speed insights, but for that particular URL. Okay, so it's auto-populated. Okay, so that's number 2. The third method is actually to use our Phoenix SEO tool, right? So you click on that, go to general, and as you can see here, there's many different ways in which you can use this tool, but you want to click on this one, Google PageSpeed Insights. You open up in a new page, you auto-populate the URL, right? And then you'll start to analyze, which is fantastic. Yeah, cool. So this is a tool that we definitely recommend, right, to have a look at your page speed status from a mobile and desktop perspective, and if there's anything that's urgent, anything that's high value, priority, right, they will list it here on what to fix as well. So so a great tool, right? We definitely recommend that you have a look into it, right? And if it does list any of these recommendations, right, then get in contact with your web development team, and they'll be able to help you out and help you to optimize the website. Cool. That's fantastic. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll be back next week.